Live better, feel stronger. The Master Arnold way. From your plate to your purpose, we're with you every day. Healthy living series. Come and join the wave. It's your time, your life. Let wellness pave the way.
Welcome to the Healthy Living series with Master Arnold. If you're drinking plant-based milk for health, you need to watch this. Not all nut milks are good for you. Some are loaded with gums, oils, sugar, and hidden junk. In this episode, we're counting down 5 of the healthiest plant-based milk brands on the market, and if you stay with me till the end, I'll reveal the best and healthiest option of all, better than anything in stores. Let's get started. Number 1, Elmhurst, 1925. Clean, simple, no gums or fillers, just nuts and water. Cold milled for maximum nutrition. Number 2, 3 Trees. Organic whole food ingredients. No thickeners, no added sugar. They even make a clean matcha almond milk. Number 3, Mock Organics. USDA organic and cold pressed. No preservatives or synthetic vitamins. Just real ingredients your body understands. Number 4, JOI. Just one ingredient. This is a nut milk base you mix at home. It's shelf-stable, waste-free, and super clean. Pure almonds, cashews, or oats, nothing else. And finally, number 5. Forager Project. Their cashew milk is gut-friendly, with added live probiotics and no junk. But here's the truth. Even the cleanest store-bought milk goes through some form of processing. So what's the healthiest milk you can drink? The one you make at home? That's right, homemade nut milk. Beats them all. Here's a simple recipe to try. 1 cup raw almonds, 3 to 4 cups of filtered water. Blend for 45 seconds. Strain through a nut milk bag or clean cloth. It's optional. Add a pinch of sea salt, a medjool date, or a dash of cinnamon. That's it. No preservatives, no gums, no guessing. It's just fresh, real milk made by you, for you. So which milk are you pouring into your body? Leave a comment and let me know what you're drinking. And don't forget, clean milk fuels a clean body. Until next time, this is the Healthy Living series, reminding you to drink smart, eat wisely, and live a healthy life. Live better. Let's feel stronger.
Live better, feel stronger. The Master Arnold way. From your plate to your purpose, we're with you every day. Healthy Living series. Come and join